Hello, Litha. It says, so I don't know how to do the rest. Well, sorry for... No, wait. Here we go. Here's your video. So let's have a look here. So we're looking at question 9. This was just a small thing here. Oh, just about units that you had before. I think it was millimeters, and you need to change it all to centimeters or all to meters or something like that. So let's have a look at this question, what we're trying to do. So you've got triangles, half base times height, half base, half times 3 times 10. Okay, interesting. I would have got half times 10. Wait, what are you doing here? Half times 3 times 10. Isn't this your base, which is 10, and your height is 6? So for your triangles, you might have a half times base times height. Looks like you've doubled up on your halving here. But the idea that you've got a triangle and that's the area of this triangle. Cool, so that's that part, right? So there's your triangle. Let's keep this consistent and go. So there's one, okay? And then there's another triangle on the other side, right? So you're going to do that and you're going to get half times 10. What's that, about 5 or so? 5 times 6, 30. And so that's 30 centimeters squared. And then you've got another one of those. So you've got a triangle plus another triangle. Well, that triangle looks the same. So half times 10 times 6. So that's going to be the same plus another 30. So you got 60 centimeters squared from the triangles. I'm not sure what happened here, to be honest. So half times 3 times 10 is 10. I don't know. We're going to have to look at what's happening there. But anyway, the idea that you got a couple of triangles, I like. Then you've got rectangles. So I'm going to rub this out so we can look at the rectangles. Now, when you look at that triangular prism, that 3D shape that's over here, how many rectangles are there in the diagram? Well, the way I see it, you've got an 11 times 5, so that looks like 1. That looks like this rectangle on this side. Cool. So we've got this rectangle. Great stuff. It's area 11 times 5, 55 centimeters squared. But it looks like there are a couple more rectangles in the diagram, aren't there? Let's look. What about that one that's sitting on the bottom? I don't know if you can kind of see what I mean, but there's... My drawing is terrible this evening. Right, there we go. There's a rectangle. Okay. So that one there you still need to account for. So let's add it in. Let's maybe move me out the way so we can use this space here and say, there's a rectangle. Well, the one side length looks like it's 10 and the other side length looks like it's 15. So that's that one, and you can work out the area of that. But there's a third rectangle. Whoop. What color do you want? Pink. I knew you were... That was awkward. You were thinking of green or something else. Okay, so we've got another rectangle. You see on that side, there's another rectangle. So that one, the way I'm looking at it is like over there. So the way you're looking at it must be like it's over there. Anyway, the idea is there's another rectangle. So let's throw that over here. And that one, well, that's 15 along here as well. And so that's also 15 long. And then its height is 9. So you just need to add those together. So you got your triangle, 30, plus the other triangle is the same, another 30, plus that one, which you correctly said, 55, plus this one, 150, plus this one, 9 times 15. We'll take a 15 away from that. What's that, about 135, give or take. Add those all together and you can get your total surface area. So try the same idea when you get to question 10. And there you've also got, here you've got another triangular prism. It's got a triangle, and then it extends out that way. It's got another triangle at the back, and you've got triangle, triangle, and then you've got the 3 rectangles. Cool. And then exercise 2, you're cruising. Look at this. I love it. Let's get this green out that we wanted earlier. That looked like it was good. That looked like it was good. This looked like it was good almost. We need to just look at something here. But otherwise you were given the diameter, not the radius. And this here needs to be the radius and the diameter was given as 8, so the radius would be 4, right? Cool. Otherwise, looking good, Litha. Love it.